Cape Cast. Who can forget the sounds of Irene, a hurricane-turned tropical storm that ripped trees from their roots, shredded limbs, rocked boats on their moorings, and left thousands without power on Cape Cod. One of the most dramatic moments from the storm came from Barnstable Village, when a 250-year-old beech tree toppled onto the Daniel Davis house. The brother of the homeowner described the situation to us as, quote, beyond awful, especially since the house was recently renovated. And on the other side of town near Veterans Beach, check out this footage sent to us by our friend Amy Johnson of West Barnstable. Life on the Outer Cape was equally nasty, as Cape Cod Times staffer Eric Williams reported.
All right, we're at the top of Bearberry Hill in Truro. Looking at the Atlantic over there. Maybe 40-mile-an-hour winds up here. I don't know, 30. Pretty steady.
The storm also made folks in Wellfleet, many of whom are still without power, very uneasy.
All right, we have some trouble here in Wellfleet. Right in my neighborhood, we got a fire on a pole, we got a branch. It's come down in the wind and it's flaming up on top there. A little bit of trouble.
Flooding was a significant issue in Falmouth Sunday, as you can see here as the cars on Clinton Avenue try to navigate streets that look like lakes. Some even took off their shoes to get across the street. Nearby, at the docks in front of the clam shack, some hardy weather hunters tried to soak in all of the action. Perhaps the most eye-opening moment of the day came down on Surf Drive in Falmouth, a normally scenic coastal thoroughfare that turned into nature's ragdoll. Ocean water breached over the protective fencing and marsh grass, strewing seaweed and large rocks all across the road. The unfortunate vehicles that were stuck on the road during this moment had a difficult time getting out. And on Monday morning, parts of the road were still flooded, as you can see here from photos taken by Marilee Cassidy of the Cape Cod Times. Town crews said they plan to clean up the area today. Cape Cast.